because I'm not too sure what day this video is going to be, but happy Vlogmas. Today is a pretty easy day. I don't have anything planned outside of editing. I need to get some videos edited and uploaded on the channel. I don't know when they're going to be posted for which days, but they're going to be uploaded on the channel. Right now it's 7:43 in the morning. 7:43 in the morning, and I'm editing videos. Okay, it's really early, but I need to get these done because I want to stay committed to completing till the 25th of December for my vlogs. If you guys didn't know, I'm doing Vlogmas from Monday to Friday, and Sunday, of course, I do my little posts with Pinterest. If you guys aren't following me on Pinterest, definitely check my Pinterest page out, because that's where I do a lot of my recipes, as well as I post little snippets of home decor. But yeah, if you guys aren't following me on Pinterest, definitely follow me on Pinterest and Instagram as well. I have to do better with my Instagram. I will try my best to do better with my Instagram. But yeah, I'm gonna edit for a while, maybe an hour and a half to 2 hours, and then I really need to get a workout in for the day, because doing Vlogmas, I have not worked out yet for the week, and I like to try to work out at least 3 times out of the week. So I need to work out today. I'm probably just gonna go for a walk and take it easy, because I am feeling really exhausted. I'm really tired, guys. But yeah, is that my doorbell? I think that was my doorbell. 1 second. 1 second. Our TV mount is here, and we're gonna go ahead and put it up so we can get this wall finished. I am super excited, guys. TV mount is finally here. So let me set you guys up so we can work on this. It looks so good. It looks so good. But I do not like how the CD stand looks next to the TV wall, especially because I painted the TV stand black and left the inside brown. I thought this would complement it, but I think I'm going to paint the outside of it black and leave the shelving brown. What do you guys think? I think that would look so much better. So I just want to slow down and show you guys how I light my tree, and it's very similar to the pre-lit tree. It's a very easy weaving technique. Yes, it does take time, but it's a very easy weaving technique, and if you have the time, I would say definitely do it. Can you believe I've been doing this before they had pre-lit trees? That means I lost. That was my invention. But anyways, that's not here nor there. But if you don't have a pre-lit tree, this is a very good technique to use. And unlike the pre-lit tree, when the lighting goes bad or the lights stop working, you can just take this off and throw it away. No cutting necessary or whatever. Just take it off, replace it. Now, one day I will probably buy a pre-lit tree, but until then I don't find it's necessary because I've been doing this technique for a long time. And if you guys go back on my channel, for every other Christmas video on my channel, you will see that I've always been doing this technique. So it's very easy. Just take your time and add it in, and it looks beautiful. Trust me, it looks really, really pretty when it's all done. So if you don't have the energy, just light your tree one day and then decorate it with the ornaments another day. That's usually what I do, especially now that there's literally no sunlight after 3 o'clock. I will definitely be doing a part 2 to this video. So if you were looking for me decorating in this video, I'm not going to be because the sunlight was gone by 2:30. So look forward to the next video where we go ahead and decorate the Christmas tree.